All right, so example 28, this says find the equation of the tangent and the equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to x squared cos x when x is equal to pi by 2. Let's turn the page. All right, so that's our information. If I wanted to, I could start off with the point, finding the point of contact, the point of contact. All right, so I'm going to put in when x is pi by 2, y would be equal to pi by 2 square times the cosine of pi by 2. Now, the cosine of pi by 2 is 0. So no matter what the left-hand side is, once you multiply something by 0, you're going to get 0. So this is 0. So the point pi by 2, 0 is the point of contact. That is where the tangent touches the curve. So next, I'm going to determine I'm going to determine dy by dx. So I have y, and from that I can determine the gradient of the curve, which will be equal to the gradient of the tangent. So y is equal to x squared cosine x. This is a product differentiation, so dy by dx. So I'm going to leave the first, so that's x squared. Differentiate the second. When I differentiate cosine x, I'm going to get minus sine x. Plus differentiate the first, 2x. Leave the second, cosine x. So dy by dx is minus x squared sine x plus 2x cosine x. I'm going to say when x is equal to pi by 2, dy by dx, the gradient of the curve, which is equal to the gradient of the tangent, would be minus pi by 2 square sine pi by 2 plus 2 pi by 2, the cosine of pi by 2. The cosine of pi by 2 is 0, so this entire thing to the right goes. The sine of pi by 2 is 1. So what I have is minus pi squared over 4. So the sine of pi by 2 is 1, so it means that the gradient is minus pi squared over 4. So now I have both the point of contact and I have the gradient of the tangent. Now let's determine the equation of the tangent. So the point of contact is pi by 2, 0. This is the x naught, y naught, x naught, y naught. And m, the gradient of the tangent, is minus pi squared over 4. My formula is y is equal to m into x minus x naught plus y naught. Let's put this in. Y is equal to minus pi squared over 4. X minus x naught, which is pi over 2, plus y naught, which is 0. Distributive law, y is equal to minus pi squared over 4x, and negative times a negative is a positive, and this is pi cubed over 8. This is the equation of the tangent. So this is the tangent. So the tangent is y is equal to minus pi squared over 4x plus pi cubed over 8. So now let's go for the normal. Normal. First of all, the gradient of the normal would be equal to, I must invert the gradient of the tangent and change its sign. So it becomes 4 over pi square. Pi square over 4, invert that, it becomes 4 over pi square, and you change the sign from negative to positive. The point of contact is also a point under the normal. So this is pi by 2, 0. This is my x naught, y naught. So it is y is equal to m, 4 over pi square into x minus x naught, which is pi by 2, plus y naught, which is 0. Distributive law, y is equal to 4 over pi square x. Positive times a negative is a negative. Pi is going to cancel one of the pi, so just pi at the bottom. 4 goes into 2 goes into 4 2 times. All right, let me spell it out, because sometimes persons might miss stuff. So distributive law, a positive times a negative is a negative. Then I'm going to multiply 4 over pi square by pi over 2. This into this goes 2. Pi cancels pi square and leave pi. So y is equal to 4 over pi square minus 2 over pi is the equation of the normal. All right, so I'm going to stop here.